Rewrite the program given below after removing the syntactical errors if any. So you are provided with a program. You need to correct the errors, underline the areas where you make correction. This rewrite the corrected code is based on constructors. First line, hash include iostream.h. There is no mistake. Next line, to declare a class, the keyword class, but here C is given in capital letters, it's a mistake. So C should be in lower case. So make the correction, and after making the correction, you need to underline the areas where you make correction. So the keyword class followed by name of the class, opening curly bracket, closing curly bracket, and here a semicolon should come. Semicolon is missing. So next mistake, I need to put the semicolon and underline the area where you make correction. Yes, semicolon inserted and I underline the area. Now inside the class, this is a data member, no mistake. This is another data member. Now a data member should not be initialized at the point of declaration. So inside a structure, inside a class, members should not be initialized. This equal to is not allowed. So here there is a mistake. This equal to 0 should be removed because inside a structure, inside a class, data members should not be initialized. So that equal to 0 goes and underline the area where you made correction. Now this one is a constructor and this is a destructor. The rule is constructors and destructors must be in the public area of the class. Only then from the main function the compiler can call them. So this is a constructor because it has the same name as that of a class. The tilde symbol is there, so this must be a destructor. Anyway, constructors and destructors must be in the public area of the class. So the access specifier name public inserted followed by colon. Now here no mistake. Inside a constructor, data members are initialized, no mistake. After quantity is equal to 0, semicolon is missing. So I need to insert the semicolon and underline. Yes, it is done. Semicolon inserted and underline the area where you make correction. Destructor has the same name as that of a class and preceded by a tilde symbol. So this question mark is not necessary. It's a mistake. I should correct it. So this becomes a destructor. Now the definition of the destructor is not given. So even if associated with a function statements are not there, still you need the opening and closing curly bracket. So for this destructor, statements are not there because compiler will automatically write the code for a destructor, but still you need the opening curly bracket and the closing curly bracket. So please make a note of this. Associated with a function, even if no statements are there, still you need the opening curly bracket and the closing curly bracket. So the curly brackets are inserted and underline the area where you made correction. Now this one is a function. The function symbol is missing. So I need to put the function symbol and underline the area where you make correction. Yes, it is done. Now here mistakes are not there. Here no mistake. Now setW is a built-in function. It is used to align the data correctly. When you make use of setW in a program, the header file iomanip.h must be included. So I need to include the header file iomanip.h. So let me include that header file here. So for setw, I included the header file iomanip.h. Now here no mistake, no mistake, void main, opening curly bracket, closing curly bracket, no mistake. This is a member of the class. To be precise, it's a member function. The rule is members of a class, members of a structure should not be used alone. Then how will you use them? You should make use of dot operator. And how will you make use of dot operator? It is variable name or object name dot member name. So this function should be called as some object name dot purchase. So first I need to declare an object of this class. Let me do that first. So here I is an object of the class item. Now this member should be called as I dot purchase. I dot purchase. So remember the rule, members of a class should not be used alone. So how will you use them? Make use of dot operator. And how will you make use of dot operator? It is variable name or object name dot member name. This is also a member function. It's a member of the class. It should not be used alone. So it should be used as I dot sale. The closing curly bracket is there, no more mistakes. So these are the mistakes and all the mistakes corrected.